Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello everybody, myself Mahima. I am back today again with a new video and a new concept. Welcome back to my channel, Positive Vibes Only. If you don't know me, do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon and do watch the rest of the 3 videos also. This is my 4th video and in today's video I decided to say 20 most beautiful quotations and explain them to you, because many people can read whatever they want, can understand well, few can understand well and few cannot understand well. So apart from that, today I decided to do one thing, that to say 20 most beautiful and inspirational quotations for everyone and just elaborate them and give a brief explanation about them. Okay, let's get into the video without a delay. Now, I'm gonna go for the first one. The first one is, all we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. I'll repeat it once again. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given to us. Simply to say this one, about this one is, all we have to decide. We have to decide what to do, not others to decide. Only thing, if you are given with some time in examination, example, in examination, they'll give you the paper and give you some time. In that time, what you needs to do? You needs to play or else you needs to write the exam. That is your decision, right? You needs to decide. If you read very well, you needs to go ahead and start writing the exam. If you did not read well, or if you're not interested, and if you're not interested or decided to go for the exam, then you'll simply start playing in the examination hall and simply you'll lose the exam. Also, I had a great example also. One more example. The other example is this lockdown period. We all are in some lockdown period with some restrictions. We are all in the home itself. We are all self-locked in our home, in our native places itself. We are on our land. We are in our own place. During this coronavirus time, this COVID-19 was spreading very fastly. So our higher authorities and some people, some public indicators, public people, society people, all decided to put lockdown and let everyone shut down and sit in their home, stay home and stay safe. So what we all did in this lockdown, few people simply wasted for 3.5 months of time. Nearly 3.5 months we are in lockdown. This 3.5 months was simply wasted by some people. But some people really did bravely. They started doing workouts, learn cooking, learn something else, learn music, learn reading, learn creating their own style. Just started renovating their home with some home decoration. Everybody, many people, not everybody, many people pick out their own talent from themselves in this time. But few simply wasted. How did they did? How the people who pick out their talent can do that in this time, and how these cannot do, who wasted time? This is simply indicates that their decision making. They decided to do this, they decided. So they did it. Whereas the people who did not yet decided, they simply wasted their time. Right? So simply in that way, just all we have to do is decide. All we have to do is to decide what to do in the given time. Okay. So let's get into the second one. The second one is, the best view comes after the hardest climb. The best view comes after the hardest climb. I'll tell you a little story. The story is about a girl. There is a girl who lives in a hilly area. She was with some sight. She had some eyesight. She had some eye defect problem. So she got operation with contact lens, and she had lens in her eyes. She always wander off to climb the mountain where she lives and look over the view. So after she got operated, she started climbing the mountain where she lived very slowly. and finally she reached on the top. She did not realize one thing, that she lost one of her eye contact lens on the mid of the mountain. Then she was very worried. She's tensed. She can't see anything. She feels very blur sighted in her front. So then she was very tensed. She was wondering if somebody could help me from the top. She started waving her hands, calling somebody for help to the bottom of the mountain. Finally, what happened is, a wildlife photographer who was climbing the mountain to click few wonderful pictures of that view found this contact lens and bought it and gave to that girl. She asked, "Is this contact lens is yours?" Then what she said is, "Yes, it is mine. Thank you for getting me this. And the only thing I can ask you is, how did you got this small lens which I lost on the mountain?" She just simply questioned that. What did that photographer told is, he told, "When I was climbing the mountain, in the middle of the mountain, I was trying to picture something on the ground. Then I found an ant slowly climbing the mountain by carrying some curved shape of glass thing. Then I tried it to put it in my camera. While I am trying to put it in my camera, and then I realized that this is a contact lens of someone. So then I got this. Then I thought that somebody has lost it. I'll return it to them back. And I came till now and I found you and I gave you. This is really so wonderful, right?" And then after he gave that lens, she looked the view, and how beautiful, right? She climbed it with her hardest time. She did it for the hardest time, right? After the hardest thing, she saw that beautiful view. What I told is, the beautiful view comes only after the hardest climb, right? She really faced a very hardest situation. She can't see without her contact lens. This is really hard, very ridiculous, very hard, right? So I can simply say with this example is, the best view comes after the hardest climb. Okay, let's get into the third one. If you want to fly, you have to give up the things that weight you down. If you want to fly, you have to give up the things that weights you down. For this, I give an example. The example is a butterfly. See how a butterfly from a caterpillar changes how beautifully into a butterfly. When it is a caterpillar, it knows that I'll become a butterfly and a beautiful bird to fly. But it can't fly when it is born, because it doesn't have wings and its weight is very high, very large in size. It can't fly easily. So what it will do is, it slowly build its cocoon and release its weight. It loosen its weight, create wings, and it will one final day fly as a colorful butterfly. You can see some butterflies back of me, right? Simply in that way, a very colorful butterfly. What it will only thing to do is, it leave the weight which does not let her to fly. When it is a caterpillar, it can't fly. Only when it is a butterfly, it can fly. So you understand one thing. It left her caterpillar stage, life stage. It renewed her life stage of caterpillar and turns into a butterfly and just flies. What we can clearly see is that butterfly, before turning to the butterfly, it leaves the weight of the caterpillar, leaves the life like the caterpillar down and fly very happily. Because that caterpillar weights her down to not to fly. Okay, just put this wonderful thing and wonderful example in your brain. Every time whenever I see a butterfly, I feel that. I really feel how beautiful the butterfly is and how hard work and how it transforms into the butterfly. So simply I can say I really love butterfly symbol and I love butterflies, I respect butterflies. So in that sense, in my room, this is my room, and back of me there is a wall. In that wall we have butterfly symbols because I love them. Okay, simply. Let's get into the fourth one. Maybe the life you have always wanted is buried under everything you own. Maybe the life you have always wanted is buried under everything you own. Everything you own is, I say this, see, I'll explain it very clearly. In your life, you think of to have something. You'll have your own things, right? See, I'll tell you an example. There was a woman who always dreamed to become a good multinational company employee. It was her dream. It's been her dream job. But due to her background, she couldn't get into that job. So she chose teaching profession. She did it well, but still she was feeling very bad about that. From this, what I can say is, she buried her dream job. She buried her dream job and become a good teacher. That was her life, and that led a good life to her. It gave a good life and good employment. She leads a family also. That was a good example. So, the only thing I can say is, the life is, you are always being buried of the things you own. Okay, let's get into the fifth one. Our destiny is not written for us. It is written by us. Our destiny. Destiny is the only thing which the God led us to write. So what happens here is, the God will leave us the destiny. If we choose a good way, we'll get into a good destiny. If we choose a bad way, we'll get into a bad destiny. And which will reach destiny. Some other day, we'll reach our destiny. But whenever you look back, you always need to smile. Have a beautiful smile. Not very sad face. Okay? Let's get into the sixth one. Everything you want is only on the other side of the fear. How many of you are very fear? Every one of us has their own fear. Every one of us have their own fear. I'll tell you an example. There was a man. He was very fear of attending interviews in multinational company. But he always dreamed to become an employee in the multinational company, MNC company. So one day what happened is, he had a day to face that interview. Somehow he faced it and he cracked the job. Finally, after cracking the job, he saw a new life. What he always wanted is on his other side of the fear. He is here. See, I am here. My fear is here. Back of me, my life is there. Back of my fear, my life is there. Means you are my life, here is my fear, and I am here. When I faced my fear, only then I can face my new life. Only then I can face you. If I don't face my fear, I can't face you, right? Simply you are on the other side of my fear. So only thing I needs to do is to face the fear and then go to the other side. I wanted to face you, so I needs to face my fear. On the other side of my fear, you are there. That is simply a tricky and a thing that every time whenever we think about it, it will really bring a small laugh in our hearts. So let's get into the seventh one without the delay. Sometimes we have to stop being scared and just go for it. Either it will work or it won't. That is the life. Sometimes we have to stop being scared and just go for it. Either it will work or it not. That is life. See, sometimes whenever you are scared, you stop there, think for a few seconds and then go for it. Do it. Don't think of others. Only then you can face the life. Only that is the life. When you stop your scare and face it and go for it and do it. Only that is the life. Only thing I can say is, that is the life. Okay? Let's get into the next one, the eighth one. Your past mistakes are not meant to guide you. Your past mistakes are meant to guide you. but not to define you. Your past mistakes are meant to guide you, but not to define you. The meaning of this is really very nice, and which every time touches my heart, because our past, everyone has their own past. Everyone has their own past. I have my own past. You have your own past. Everyone have their very bad past, good past, have their failures, have their inner success, have their inner feelings. Like that, everyone has their past. This past will guide your mistakes, meant to guide your mistakes. It will rectify your mistakes, but it is not meant to define you. Your mistake doesn't define you. Okay, your past doesn't define you. If you did a mistake today, you just show them in your future that you're not that. Then simply what happens is, it doesn't define you. Then your mistakes will just guide you. It will clearly indicate that it guides you but does not define you. Okay. Only thing I can give and my suggestion is, do not try to prove and just to be how you are and rectify your mistakes from your past. Let's get into the next one, the 9th one. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. You can't go back and change the beginning and start the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the beginning. See, you had a failure, you lost something. If you start thinking of that and think that I needs to go back and just start it again, I wanted to start the beginning, do not think like that. It's your foolishness. But start where you are. Start where you are, so that you can simply change your ending. Okay, maybe I'm not that much thing to say that, but I can suggest others. I do not follow this because I had a failure and I was still sitting with it. So to overcome this, I wanted to start something and give a nice ending. So I started this, and I am like this right now. But I give this wonderful suggestion to follow everyone. This will be the best thing that I give from my side. Let's get into the 10th one. Perhaps this is the moment for which you have been created. Whenever you do something, you think that this is the moment for what the God has created. Thank God for that. Thank for every moment what God has given you. Okay, that will really, you can see some wonderful wonders, some wonders in your life. This is just to thank God because He created this wonderful moment for you. Let's get into the next one without the delay. We are almost half done. Let's get into the 11th one. If you don't like the road you are walking, start paving the other one. See, many people are there with their own dreams, own talents, everything. But few people goes with their family decisions. What happens is, they don't like the way they were walking. They walk with few people, they wants to walk in the other way, but they listen to the other words and they go in the other way. What happens is, they'll not like the way which they are going right now. So they wanted to do something. Then what the only thing you needs to do is just start paving your own way. That will make you happy and feel your heart very peaceful and weightless, and you'll fly with happiness. The next one. We have two lives, the one we learn with and the life we live after. I think this is a little bit tricky, so I'll read it again. We have two lives, the one we learn with and the life we live after that. I'll say the meaning. We have two lives. With one life, we learn with it. The second life is, we learn something with one life, right? That one, we live with that one. We live with that one. That was the second life. That is the meaning, and this is really nice, and I appreciate the writer, because I don't know this writer, but I appreciate this writer. Wonderfully he written this quote. Let's get into the next one, the 13th one. Feelings are just visitors. Let them come and go. See, some people start sitting with their feelings. Like if they feel sad, they just sit with their sadness. They just Be with that. If somebody went into depression is a kind of feeling, sad feeling. They start sitting with that feeling only. So, what the only thing is, you needs to know that feelings are just visitors. So you needs to let them come in and go, not to stay with them, okay? Because they are visitors. Know the place of the visitors and be with the feelings. Let's get into the 15th one. We are the products of our past, but we don't have to be the prisoners of it. Sorry, that's not one. The 15th one is, give the people you love wings to fly, roots to come back, and reasons to stay. You have many people you love. So what this say is, give wings to fly, roots to come back, reasons to stay with you. This will give a strong relationship between anyone, mother, father, mother and daughter, mother and son, father and daughter, father and son, friends, any relationships, etc. The next one, 16th one. I survived because the fire inside me burned brighter than the fire around me. This really gives a depth meaning. See, I'll clearly say. The writer of this one is saying that he survived because of the fire inside him, and he burned brighter because the fire around him. The next one. Expectations is the roots of all heart attacks. Expectations. See, when you start building expectations on somebody, if they don't reach that, you'll feel very bad, which leads to some heart disorders. You'll take it to the heart. The expectations affects our heart. Expectations are injurious. Expectations are dangerous. So, expectations are the roots for the heart attacks. Next, 18th one. It's going to be hard, but it does not mean impossible. If somebody say that this is hard level of your life, just face it. But don't feel that it is impossible by me. Feeling that will ruin your whole bright future in your life, which will destroy you where you are. So, saying that it is hard doesn't mean that it is impossible. It is possible, but it will take little time to solve. So go with that. Go with those hard levels. Let's get into the next one without the delay. 19th one. Do something today that your future self will thank you for that. Do something today. Say this yourself. I am saying to yourself this second, do something for your future. That will thank that time, that future will thank you for that. That time the future will thank you for that. See, I started my YouTube channel since past my free videos. Really, many people are appreciating me. I thank everyone for that support and everything. Maybe in the future, maybe I'll be thankful for myself for starting this YouTube video. Because due to my videos, I am listening that many people are having some inspiration. Many people are inspired with my words. They are really shocked of my words. Many people are being ashamed what for they are doing. They change their lives too. Maybe in my future, it will give a big impact for everyone. So I am very thankful for that. And the last and the foremost one, 20th one. Difficult roads often leads to beautiful destinations. See, whenever you climb an hill on the car, if you have some roadway to 4-wheeler or 2-wheeler, see, many people say that 7-seater drive on Ghat road, that is really a difficult ride. 7-seater car drive on a Ghat road. Ghat road means in the sense a curvy, slopey areas which reaches to hill, top of the hill. Really, that road is very, 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 very disgusting and ridiculous journey. in that road, but which leads to a beautiful destination. See, I'll say you a beautiful place like that. Whenever you go to Aruku, Aruku is a familiar place in our Andhra Pradesh, in our Vizag city. Many people visited that. I visited that many times too. Whenever you visit Aruku, many people go with family, so they go in the car, maximum by four-wheeler car. Many people, 90% of people will go by car. What happens is, really many people vomit on that road. They feel inconvenience. They feel very horrible in that journey because the road is very irregular surface it has, and it was very slopey. Many loops will be there. So we feel very vomiting sensation, uncomfortable and hard. But it is very hard to go through. But we'll reach to a beautiful destination, right? Which will give us a beautiful view. This difficult road will gives us a beautiful destination. So, and the last thing I'll say, which I wanted to follow after saying all this, which I wanted to follow from today, is I prepared the note and I was going to read this out. Listen carefully. I'll read it for 2 times and this will be the last thing. You cannot control how other peoples receive your energy. Anything you do or say gets filtered through the lens of whatever personal shit they are going through at that moment, which is not about you. Just keep doing your thing, which has much integrity and love as possible. I'll repeat it once again. You can't control how other peoples receive my energy to you. Anything I do or say get filtered through the lens of whatever your personal shit you are going through at that moment. So that is which is not about me. So what I'll do is just keep doing my things with as much as integrity and love as possible. So this is my note for myself I prepared and I wanted to follow from today and give a beautiful future for myself. So I thank everyone. So you all also prepare a self note, give some motivation yourself, be self motivative and start your new life, pick out your new talents from this second, be motivative, be inspirational to others too. Thank you for giving me this wonderful thing, wonderful love, support, subscribers, all my subscribers, keep following me, do press the bell icon, do subscribe my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Positive Vibes Only. Be positive, think positive, do positive. Thank you everybody.